Let me ask you something. Why do millions of teens spend hours playing games, leveling up, unlocking rewards, beating challenges, but feel bored the moment they hear the word coding? What if I told you coding actually works exactly like a game? Think about your favorite game. You start at level 1. You don't know all the rules. You make mistakes, you lose a few times, but with every level, you learn something new. That's exactly what coding is. In coding, you're not just typing random symbols, you're giving instructions, just like a player gives commands in a game. Let's break it down. Every game has a goal. In coding, the goal could be make a character move, build a simple app, or create your own game. Every game has rules. In coding, these rules are called syntax. If you break the rules, the game doesn't crash forever. You just get an error and you try again. Every game has levels. In coding, levels are skills. You start with basics like variables and loops. Then unlock advanced powers like logic, design, and automation. And here's the best part. Mistakes in coding are not failures. They are checkpoints. You press the wrong button in a game, you respawn. You write the wrong code, you debug. And that's how you level up. Now here's something most people don't tell teens. Coding isn't about becoming a programmer. It's about learning how to think. Coding teaches you problem solving. It teaches you patience. It teaches you how to break big problems into small winnable missions. And in a world powered by AI and technology, this way of thinking is a real superpower. At Innokidz, we teach coding exactly like this, as a game. Kids don't start by memorizing lines of code. They start by building things. They create characters. They design simple games. They make apps, websites, and even startup ideas. Every project is a new level. Every challenge unlocks a new skill. And every win builds confidence. That's why coding feels exciting here, not intimidating. So if you are a teen watching this or a parent wondering where to start, remember this. You don't need to be good at math. You don't need to be a tech genius. You just need curiosity, creativity, and the courage to press start. And if this video made coding feel less scary and more fun, make sure you like this video, share it with a friend who loves games but thinks coding is boring, and subscribe to Innokidz, because we turn coding, AI, and future skills into real-world adventures for kids aged 11 to 17. Your coding journey doesn't begin with fear, it begins with a game.